What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Daniel Hale, and today I'm going to show you how you can make money online. I've been using this method for a long time now. I've been using it for my local business. I've been using it to sell products on Amazon, using it to sell products on Facebook. You can sell it anywhere. If you want to start your own business, then this is also a great way for you to do it. And a lot of people are using this to make thousands of dollars online, okay? Especially with Amazon, where they are crushing it, the #1 business in the world, and you guys can take a small percentage of that. So I'm gonna show you how I do that, how you can do it, and how we can turn your money into a lot more money. Basically what we do is we get products online for super cheap. I'm talking like $2, $3, and we resell them from anywhere from $50, $70. It all depends on the research that you guys do so that you can get those products and resell them at a higher value. Okay, yes, you heard me say that. We can turn $50 off of one single item, sell hundreds of them. One of the biggest things that a lot of companies are doing and a lot of people are doing to make money online, they're using it as a side hustle. They're ordering products from India, Pakistan, all places around the world, China, at super cheap, bringing it here, selling it for its value, and making a lot of money. I use this for my local business a lot. I buy products, bring it in, sell custom hoodies, sell custom t-shirts, all that stuff, products in my local businesses, and it works, okay? So this is how we get our products from about $2 to $3 per item, bring them here and resell them for $40, $50, sometimes even more, depending on what it is. We do our market research, throw it online, make sure it's hot, and then we sell it, okay? So we're in September right now. So what I'm trying to do is get all this stuff in order right now so that come December time, I know I've already made a ton of sales. I know it's Christmas and a bunch of people are gonna be buying my products, okay? So what we do is, first, we're gonna go on a website called Alibaba.com. And Alibaba.com is a website where you can go and order all sorts of stuff. Basically anything you see in Walmart, anything you see in the big box stores, they have, okay? Even custom stuff that you wanna make, if it's a hoodie, t-shirt, you wanna start a clothing line, apparel, anything like that, okay? Now, a lot of people's biggest fear when they're ordering stuff from China and India or Pakistan, anywhere in the world, they always are worried about, oh, what if they steal my money, or what if they do this? Well, here's the good news. Alibaba does trade assurance, so when they take their money, they're responsible for it, okay? They're gonna make sure that the products that you order get to you, and they're also only gonna work with trusted people in those countries that they know it's safe for you to work with. So I promise you, okay, this method works. Use Alibaba.com. Whether you want to put your products that you buy from there on Amazon or on Facebook Marketplace, wherever you want to put them, you can put them on Kijiji, have them sell locally. If you're a local store, you can do it too in your local store. Sell it everywhere. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys my computer. I'm going to give you a few little examples on what you can do and what you can order. So here's Alibaba.com, guys. You can see there's wooden bamboo stuff, there's dolls, men's hoodies, dining tables, toys, electronics, all sorts of stuff that you guys can sell depending on what you're looking to get started in your industry or what you want to put online. I suggest doing your research first so you guys can see like what products are hot at the time. Maybe like what's the top sellers on Amazon, what's the top sellers on Facebook Marketplace, then order that, beat their price, put it on as a little bit better price, and I promise you, you're gonna make a ton of sales. So just to give you a quick example of something that I just ordered right now, and then I'm gonna throw online, and I'm pretty confident it's gonna do really well because it's a kid's toy that's very popular right now. It's called the LOL dolls and the LOL surprise stuff. You guys have probably seen it before, whether on YouTube or stores or anything like that, but that's gonna be one high ticket item, especially for Christmas. So I'm gonna show you an example I've already pulled up. So if I go LOL surprise doll in the search bar for the products, you're gonna see all these items, all these distributors that pop up, and it's gonna tell you the cost of all the items, okay? So I've already done my research, so I already went down right here, and you can see here is the Sparkle Series A color being sold for $2 to $4 per 5 units. So if I message them and I tell them that I want 100 units, I'm probably gonna be able to get a discount, which we did, and we were able to get that down with the shipping and handling. So if you can see this right here, even if we do get it at this price, at $2 to $4, When we go to Amazon and we see what they are selling it for, this exact same one on Amazon.com, okay, you can see is being sold right here for $17.78. That is incredible, okay? An item that we were getting for $2, we were reselling on Amazon all around the world at $17.78, okay? That's over $15 profit on one small item that you got for $2, which is absolutely crazy, okay? That's $1,500 that you just made off $200, okay? If you're doing my math correctly here, we bought 100 of them for $2 a piece. That's $200, resold them for $17 per piece, $1,500 off one item. All right, and that doesn't have to be sold on just Amazon. It can be sold on Facebook, like I said, Marketplace, all that stuff. Wherever, maybe you have a friend that has kids, you just say, hey, I got these little LOL dolls, or maybe you want to throw them on Instagram and do a challenge. Get a bunch of people to follow you, tag you, do all that stuff. Now you got a bunch of Instagram followers and people that are going to follow you, okay? So these are tips and tricks that I've been using and they work, okay? So dial into that. I promise you, you're gonna make extra money, have a cool little side hustle. So one thing that you guys can do, okay, when you go on to Amazon, you can see what the top selling items are on the front page. Take a look, okay? There's also other ways that you can go onto Google and see what the top selling items are on Amazon, on Facebook, what people are looking for, okay? Maybe if it's something that's hot at the time and kind of going viral, you might want to get that too. Like I remember those little fidget spinners were coming out and everybody was all crazy about fidget spinners. If you had done this at that exact time, you'd make a lot of money, okay? And this is how you guys should be spending your money to make it make more money for you, okay? You want to make the walnut get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. So let's say we made $1,500 off of that. I would probably take a lot of that money and buy more items, send it out again, okay, and just keep it going with money that I've already used to make money. So that way I'm not going back in my bank account and always pulling out other money. I'm using the same money that I just bought those LOL products with, and I invested that money into getting more products, and now we are just increasing and increasing. So guys, I wanted to make this tutorial quick for you guys today. Okay, I got all sorts of stuff planned. I'm super excited for this channel. I'm gonna show you guys some of the affiliate marketing that I've been doing, some of the Amazon FBA stuff that I've been doing, how I started a social media marketing agency, how I treat my local businesses, and also how I've been growing my social media, my Instagram, and all that stuff, okay? This is all things marketing. So make sure you do not miss any videos by subscribing down below. Keep up with us. I'm gonna show you guys a bunch of tricks. My name's Daniel Hale. Don't forget, guys, subscribe, and I will see you next time.